You guys may recognize this room from the last lockdown, so tee welcome back. Ignore the mess that's behind me. I am literally so behind on this video, so I'm really just trying to get it out. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new, which you most likely are, and if you are, you should subscribe. I just wanted to post because it's the day before Christmas Eve. I'm hoping that none of you are going to see your families, but if you are allowed, if you're in Australia, if you want to look cute anyways at home, I just thought I would put together a few mid-size friendly Christmas holiday outfits, mostly because I didn't know what to wear and I spent way too long in my closet trying to figure it out and wanted to show you guys what I put together, but also because these are pretty easy to replicate and honestly pretty budget friendly. Most of it is from American Eagle, so depending on whether or not that's your budget or not, but it's made with like my closet staples anyways, so I thought I would share it with you guys. I didn't show any footwear because I find it weird still to put my feet on the internet, so it's all above the knee shots. But yeah, so I just thought I would show you guys what I thought I would be wearing for Christmas. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you like mid-size plus size fashion, subscribe. I talk a lot about that kind of thing. I show you guys what I buy, I show you guys like what I wear. It's kind of a thing here, so yeah, definitely subscribe if you like that kind of stuff. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you guys all have a happy holidays.